You need to see this new strategy that I used to get job on Upwork with zero connect. No connect, no problem. I know it sounds crazy, but I have used this same strategy to get up to two jobs on Upwork now, and I'm making a lot of money every week, up to a million naira a week. So these two jobs, I have got them with zero connect, and I'm currently in an interview with other clients, and I have not sent out any proposal because I don't have connect. So if you want to learn this my new strategy that I'm using to get job in Upwork with zero connect, then like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also turn on notifications so that you're going to get updates whenever I drop a new video like this one. Now this strategy, I must confess to you, it's boring, okay? But if you keep on trying it, you are going to beat Upwork algorithm and you start getting job even though you don't have connect. This is for Upwork freelancer. If you are new to Upwork, I have done a video that will show you how to get started in Upwork and get your first job. That video is perfect for you if you are a newbie in Upwork. So I will leave that video link in the description of this video for you to go there and check it out so you can get your first job. But if you are an Upwork person or have been freelancing in Upwork before now and you have stuck because you don't have connect, then you need to continue watching to the end to see how I was able to crack this Upwork algorithm to get jobs even though I have no connect. Now is the time to do the dirty work. Are you ready? Are you ready? So I want to share with you the two strategies that I'm using now that is helping me get jobs on Upwork, quality jobs, high paying job on Upwork with zero connect. I don't have connect. You can even see my current balance. My connect here is just 14 connects. And I swear I did not buy the connect. Upwork gave me 10 free connects because I got a job. So they give me connect when I get job. So you see, so that's how. So when you are doing very great in the platform, Upwork gives you free connect. When you get job, Upwork give you connect. When you get interviewed, Upwork give you connect. So, okay, so there are ways whereby you can get job, get interview without applying for jobs. Now that is what I want to share with you. So if you like something like this, just drop me in the comment. I like this. I love this, so that I will be motivated to be doing more research and sharing it with you. So the first strategy to get job on Upwork with zero connect is the invite strategy. The invite strategy. In this strategy, the client is going to invite you for an interview. Look at my screen, you will see what an invite look like. Most of you may not have been getting an invite. It's because your profile is not well optimized. Now, when you stay in Upwork and your profile is not optimized, there are certain things you need to do so you can get this invite. Now, one thing is to have your profile optimized. Take a look at my profile. Okay, so it is well optimized. You can see my content is written very well. You can see the history. You can see my catalog. You can see my portfolio. Everything was taken to be perfect, to look great. It's not done randomly. I sat down for over 5 hours to optimize my Upwork profile. And if you are here watching this video and your profile is not optimized, I have done a video that teach you the step by step how to optimize your profile for SEO so that you're going to be getting client invitation. I'm going to drop that video link in the description of this video so that you're going to watch it after this one and get started in your profile to get the job. Now, when your profile is now optimized, you are going to start getting invitation. But if you don't get invitation, it means that your profile is not optimized. So having your profile optimized is not all about the setup you have done. It is the invitation, the views that you are getting. So how will we now truly know that yes, my profile is optimized? You go over to what? To find work, go over to my statistics. In your statistics, you're going to see how many clients has viewed your profile. Okay, if no client is viewing your profile, it means your profile is not yet optimized. Upwork algorithm helps every freelancer get noticed by what? By clients. So if you see that you're not getting noticed, then your profile is not optimized. Now you can see that I have gotten how many views now? 8 total views, 4 views, um 2 views. I get views from in the last 7 days. I'm getting what? Views. That is, people or clients are looking at my profile. Okay, so if my profile is not optimized, then these people will not be looking at my profile. In the last 30 days, I was able to get 40 views from clients. You see, so client has to see your profile. So if your profile is not getting views, then your profile is not optimized. So no matter what you have set before in your profile, if it does not get these views, your profile is not optimized. Go and re-edit it, go and re-strategize it. And I have done a video that will help you optimize your profile. Go and watch it and use that strategy to optimize your profile to get views. This views is what will get you invites. Now let's see the invite gotten from 40 views. I've gotten what? 2 invites in the last 7 days. The last 7 days I got how many invites? 2 invites. This top at November 14th. And this is what you need to know. This is what gives me the job. Client invites you to look at a job, and you go and look at a job, and it's something you can do. You smack it, you close the deal. Okay, so this is it. So now here's what you need to also do again after you have optimized your profile and you are checking your statistics to see if you are getting noticed. You need to stay online. You need to stay online. Every day my phone has data connection on, I will keep my Upwork account on, because the more I stay online, the more the Upwork algorithm is noticing my profile. Every day you on your WhatsApp you chat, every day you go to Facebook you chat, every day as an Upwork freelancer you have to check jobs on Upwork. Even though you have no connect, now this is the trick here. Even though you have no connect, just check for job on Upwork. And when you see a job you like, when you see a job that fits your profile, your skill, even though you have no connect to apply for that job, just love it. Yes, love it. Love it. This love means you are saving the job. It will not come to your what? Save job. You did not apply it, but you save the job. It will trigger the Upwork algorithm to know what to keep showing you on your profile. Hope you're getting the point. If you're getting the point, drop a comment and say, I am getting the point. Okay, if you're getting the point, drop a comment and say, I'm getting the point. Now, when you have loved it, it has been recorded in the Upwork algorithm. Now, when you see a job that does not match your feed, you can see that everything here is matching my feed because I'm using the same strategy. When you see a job that does not match what you are doing, okay, you are going to what? To do the thumbs down, like, yeah, this one, okay, all the job here match what I'm doing, so I don't want to spoil my algorithm. Now this is an investment manager, it does not match what I'm doing, so I'm going to do what I'm going to do what? Thumbs down. And they'll ask me, why do you thumb it down? I will say, uh, I will come and say, doesn't match my skill. I hope you're seeing it. They will not take it off. Right now, I am teaching the algorithm to know the kind of job that is good for me, that will show me. So they will not show me jobs that are what? On investment manager, because I am not an investment manager. Now, whenever there's a job on Discord server setup, they're going to show me. I love it. So I'll click on what? Love it. The reason why I'm clicking this love it is to tell the Upwork algo that this job is interested in this job. It fits me, even though I did not apply because I have no connect. Now they will keep on showing this stuff and they will keep ranking my profile for clients that are posting similar jobs like this. And that is how I will get invitation to jobs like this. And from there, I will get that job. This is the number one strategy that I have used to get job with no connect at all. I am active on the platform. I'm doing this stuff so that the algorithm will know what my profile is all about constantly, and my profile is well optimized. And boom, I get a job. Now let's go over to this to the number two strategy. The number two strategy is to use the Upwork project catalog. If you go to your profile, there's what we call catalog. You have to know how to use the Upwork project catalog. I wanted to leave this training for my private students, okay? But I decided to open it here so that you also can learn and get job and make money for yourself. There's more to come. I'm always here doing research. So if you follow my channel, you'll be getting quality updates like this. Now, using the Upwork catalog automatically puts your product in the Upwork marketplace and client can buy it and you get the money, you get the job. And I'm going to teach you how to put catalog. Many people don't know how to put catalog. You don't just go and put catalog and then people don't see your catalog. You need to do some keyword research before you put the right catalog. For example, now I have loved a job that says Discord. I am a Web3 marketer and what community manager. So I want to update my catalog and put a new skill into my profile. First of all, I will need to see what people are looking for, what clients are looking for. So what is trending in my niche? I know in my niche, it's what called Discord server management. I will go and type it here, Discord server. Now when I type Discord server, I'm going to see the kind of keyword the client are using to search for okay freelancers in the Upwork platform. Now scroll down. Discord expert setup automation message add-on. You see, this one is what Discord expert setup. This is number one. Now let's go. I'm looking for Discord server, looking for Discord server setup. Are you seeing it? Discord server setup, application development. So there are people looking for Discord server setup, and my profile already as community manager. So there's no way I can put Discord server. I've used up all my profile. I've used all of them. There's no way I can put. So what do? I have to put it in my what? In my project catalog so that I also rank for that project. So whenever a client is looking to hire somebody for Discord server setup, they will see my what my project and they can buy it and I will start working for them. This one gives you direct entry to what to interview. Okay, so I have known that it's what Discord server setup is what ongoing. So I'll come here and click on what manage my project. I'll click on what create project and then I will now put the name of the project, the title. You will get you will get what Discord server setup, the same keyword that they are putting. Then I can now I'll add more fancy word, okay, like I saw here. Okay, so you can see, you see that, bam. Then as a freelancer, then the category I put it is what social media management under my profile. Then I scroll down, project attribute is for Discord. I pick Discord here. Then search, you can see search tag Discord server. This is all these are SEO. Discord server setup. Then let's put Discord and they will bring both management, Discord, everything that has to do with Discord. I'm going to pick them as a word, as a tag. Now that's done. I click on what save and what and continue. Okay. So guys, this strategy works. If you don't have money to start applying for jobs over and over again, and you don't have money to boost your Upwork profile, buying connect, then you need to practice what I've shared with you religiously. It's going to help your profile stand out, and if you're intentionally lucky, you are going to land jobs, and then you can get money to start buying connect, and so on and so forth. So remember to stay active on the platform, okay, and revamp your Upwork profile to and ensure that you're checking your statistics to see that clients are viewing your profile at least. So if you don't have any view, please reset. If you have view and you're not having invitation, then reset your description in what you do to make it more catchy. Okay, so that people will say, "Oh, I see your profile. I like what you do. Come and work for me." Okay, so do that. And secondly, use the project catalog. Put more projects. You can put up to 50. There's no limitation. Keep putting more projects in the Upwork catalog, and not just put the project there. Use the keyword style to get the right keyword that people are looking for, and put those in your Upwork catalog, and you are going to boost your profile, and you are going to stand a chance to get a job without you spending connect. So like I said, it's going to be boring, but if you keep doing this over and over again, you're going to see the changes in your profile, and in turn you're going to get a good result. So I wish you good luck on your Upwork journey. If you have further questions about freelancing or in Upwork or in general, kindly leave it in the comment section, and I'm going to give you the best quick reply. I'll see you on my next video, and until then, subscribe to my channel.